Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today, we're going to do an unboxing. I have to have this kit done very quickly for round 2 models for a toy show coming up. So we're going to unbox it, see what this new Shortbed Chevrolet is all about. So come on in, let's open it up. The Autistic Modeler is proud to be partnered with Round 2 Models, the makers of great kits from AMT, MPC, and Polar Lights. Get yours today. Well, all right, well, first let's look at this box. You know I love the artwork. Somebody hand drew that and painted that. That is so cool. And that's not like AI. That's somebody's handiwork and art. That's so neat. Beautiful job. There's our short bed and chassis. Pretty cool. And then there's what we get on this side. It's showing you that it's a short bed. And you got a short tonneau cover. You got snowflake wheels. You got some mag wheels. The hubcaps. 350 Chevy custom grill. And there's another photograph there. You got a big decal sheet. Good looking green one there. And then this is what you get on the back. Take a look at that. All right. Let's look at the plastic. Well, first, there's that short bed chassis. Look at that. Nice. This looks like a brand new piece to me. This doesn't look like a modified long bed that's been cut. So I think this is a new piece altogether. These pieces here, I believe the tailgate looks new because that engraving looks sharper to me. I've built this several times. That piece is new. Hood is the same. Okay, cool. And there's a valance panel for a custom version. One of the short beds has come off the tree. It's got nice engraving for those moldings and our marker lamp there. Looks really good. And there's our short bed piece. Got a tonneau cover on the other side. And then the floor. It's like it goes together really well, just like the original did. A long bed. And there's some engine parts there. Cross member, suspension, air filter. This is the heater box, radiator. And there's our cab. Cab looks identical to the other version. They may have cleaned it up, the mold a little bit, because it looks pretty sharp. Looks really good. And then there's our instrument panel. That always looked really good on these trucks. Stock steering wheel. Small block Chevy engine with our automatic. Manifolds. Bucket seat interior there. All looks really good. This piece has some wheel backs and a radiator hose on it. And it includes these, like American racing wheels. They look really good. Nice ones there. I like it. And there's the chrome tree. Got our stock hubcaps and your wire wheels and other pieces here, or custom grill or stocker. And be sure when you build yours, you drill this hole in the back to put the Chevrolet badge on it. That's right there. Some folks forget about that, and it looks incomplete to me, you know. So just a little tip there. And then this piece here has some wheel backs on it and the small block Chevy parts. Really good. And you get 4 of these tires. They don't have pad printed or anything on them, but they're really nice looking, like radial type tires. They're good looking. Get 4 of them. Then our metal axle. And our window glass there. And then here's the decal sheet. Let's flip it around. There we go. You got some high tide, like pool cleaning service. These go on the bed tonneau covers. That's pretty neat. And then you got a paint place and some other labels. You got dashboard decals. That's cool. Tailgate decals, some license plates, heater controls, badges for the fender. It's a good looking kit. I like it. Let's take a look at that book. There's the book right there. Looks really sharp. Let's open her up here. And there's our engine assembly. Looks like just the same as the one before. basically the same kit, just that now you get your short bed. There's suspension assembly and engine and assembling the wheels. This is pretty much the same until you get to your short bed section here. We put all that together like that. And you put the chassis on the body and bed that goes together there. And that's pretty much it. This is a really simple kit, but it goes together really well. I've built these a few times. I really like them. So I hope you enjoy it. And as always, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.